A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a controversial turn of events, Kilmar Abrego Garcia, an alleged MS-13 gang member, finds himself at a critical crossroads as the Trump administration has reportedly issued him an ultimatum regarding his deportation. Following his recent release from a Tennessee jail, Abrego Garcia has been informed by the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, that he may soon face deportation to Uganda, a move that has sparked significant debate and concern. According to reports, the Ugandan government has entered into an agreement with the Trump administration to accept third-country deportees from the United States. However, the deal comes with strict stipulations, as Uganda's foreign minister has stated that the country will not accept individuals with criminal records or unaccompanied minors, preferring instead to receive individuals from other African nations. This situation raises questions about the fate of Abrego Garcia, who has been embroiled in legal battles and accusations of human smuggling. His attorneys allege that the Trump administration is leveraging the threat of deportation to Uganda as a means to coerce him into accepting a guilty plea for the charges against him. Reports indicate that if he accepts a plea deal, he could be deported to Costa Rica, a much more favorable destination compared to Uganda. The stark contrast between the two options has left many wondering why Abrego Garcia is hesitant to accept the Costa Rica offer. His attorney, Sean Hecker, argues that the coercive tactics employed by the DOJ, DHS, and ICE are a blatant violation of his client's rights, forcing him to choose between a guilty plea that would grant him relative safety or the prospect of being sent to Uganda, where his safety could be in jeopardy. Abrego Garcia's legal troubles began when he was indicted by a federal grand jury for allegedly transporting undocumented migrants within the United States. Despite being deported to El Salvador earlier this year, he was brought back to the U.S. following a court order and is now facing serious charges. His attorneys have filed motions to dismiss the case, citing claims of vindictive prosecution and arguing that his due process rights have been compromised. The situation has drawn national attention, highlighting the complexities of immigration law and the challenges faced by individuals like Abrego Garcia, who find themselves caught in a web of legal and bureaucratic hurdles. As the deadline to accept the plea deal looms, Abrego Garcia remains in a precarious position, weighing the potential consequences of his decisions against the backdrop of a contentious immigration policy landscape. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching implications, not only for Abrego Garcia, but also for the broader conversation around immigration enforcement and the treatment of individuals facing deportation. With the clock ticking, all eyes are on Abrego Garcia as he navigates this difficult crossroads and considers the path that lies ahead. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.